Xin chào các bạn, mình là Đức. For this question, you got the composite function y equal to fg, and the function gives you some variable for f1, f prime 1, g phi, and g phi 1. G phi, okay, g phi equal to 2. And the question asks about the value for y prime as a equal to phi. What does that mean? The first, you got the composite function with the function outside will be f, inside will be gh. And if I want to convert this one become to the derivative action, you will got y prime will be equal to the function outside will be take derivative first and then multiply the derivative of inside function. And when you got h equal to 5, it means you need to substitute h equal to 5 for h position of h in here. This is equal to 5 multiply g prime 5. And the function, the question gives you the value for g prime 5 equal to 2 and g phi only equal to 1. So f prime will be equal to 1 here inside. So f prime 1, you got the new value is negative 4. Multiply 2, you will got negative 8. So A will be the final answer for this question.